हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लेट्स गेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट। बिजगुरुकुल मार्केटिंग मैनेजर रोल के लिए हायरिंग कर रही है। लेट अस सी कौन कौन एलिजिबल है इस जॉब रोल के लिए। सो एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन इज ग्रेजुएट इन एनी स्ट्रीम, experience 3 to 5 years. Now let's see the overview of this job role. Marketing managers often plan and oversee many different activities, including go-to-marketing launches, advertising, email campaigns, events, and social media. You will also build marketing programs and campaigns, collaborate cross-functionality, and report on marketing metrics. Now let us check this mandate. There is some mandatory requirements. EdTech background preferred, market research, communication skills, awareness of social media, experience in online and offline marketing, both proactive and prompt. These are some mandatory requirements. Now let's check requirements. Develop strategies and tactics to get the word out about our company and drive qualified traffic to our front door. Deploy successful marketing campaigns and own their implementation from ideation to execution. These are the requirements. There are many more. You can read all the requirements. If you feel you are eligible, then आपको right side पे ये एक form दिया गया है, इसको fill करना है. Some basic details are there. You have to fill like name, email, phone number, description, and then upload resume. ये form fill करके आपको application को submit कर देना है. You can find the link in description and apply for this job role. All the best. And if video helpful लगी हो तो like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and latest job openings के लिए चैनल को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.